Welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring the budget airline world. You join me on this 787 with Scoot from Kuala Lumpur to Singapore, only a 40-minute flight. Let us look at the booking process. Options between Scoot Plus and Economy. Nothing comes free, everything costs extra. This 787 aircraft on a short-haul flight. Extra leg room seats at MYR £100 or £17, more than I paid for this flight. Regular seat at MYR £35 or £6. As you can see, the carry-on bag size limit's perfect for the one-bag traveler. We arrive at Kuala Lumpur Airport and head straight to check-in to gain our boarding passes. Check-in took around 15 minutes. Here is our 787 taking us to Singapore. They board by groups, but they didn't really have much control, everyone just went. We are in seat 32A. Legroom for this short flight is impressive. Magazines for purchasing food and other goods. Plug sockets under seat, need to pay to turn on. Scan for Wi-Fi, once again costs, but no surprise. AV geek in me had to point out this plane. Push back on time. And take off. Bathroom is small with not a lot of amenities, but this is similar to most 7-8-7s I have been on. Let's explore the onboard options to buy. And the food options. Love the mood lighting. Decent into Singapore. Touchdown.
Overall, the seat was comfortable and clean, and the staff were friendly. For a short hop this seat was great, but I can imagine on longer flights it may not be as great. But still a great budget option.